Peach cake? Yes, but flipped upside down. I think this will become one of your favorites.
Bon appétit!
It's the perfect cake for you to make in the summer, because this is the season when the peaches are ripe and fleshy. Cut them in half and remove the pit. To make them sumptuous and delicious, we're going to take care of our caramel, which we'll make by pouring the sugar into a thick-bottomed frying pan and letting it melt very, very gently without touching it. In the meantime, to avoid succumbing to temptation, we'll take care of the base. Beat the eggs with the sugar, salt and vanilla. Once it's got that beautiful frothy texture, I'm going to add the butter, which I've melted and let cool. And finally the powders, flour and yeast, both sifted. And now our batter is ready. This is a real joy for the kinds of people like me who like to lick the bowl clean. Back to the caramel, you can see how while we've left it alone, our caramel has done its job. Once it's reached this beautiful amber color, add the butter, mix it in until it melts. And that smell is just indescribable. Now I add my peaches, with the cut half facing the bottom of the pan, and let them cook for a minute. Buttered and sugared cake pan. I'm going to place the peaches in it, one of the halves in the center, and the others around it in a ring. Of course, if you have a pan which doubles as a cake pan, you can avoid having to transfer them over. Pour over the remaining caramel. Cover the bottom with the batter, just like with any self-respecting upside-down cake, and level it out with a spatula. Cook it for 45 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. At the end, after you test it with a toothpick and take it out, turn the cake out onto a plate straight away before the caramel goes solid again. And here we are. Our peach upside-down cake is ready. It's delicious when you eat it on its own, or alternatively with a scoop of ice cream.
Bon appétit!